Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to duplicate a page in Hostinger Website Builder. I am now inside the my Hostinger Website Builder. In order to duplicate a page, let's just go to Pages and Navigation. These are my pages published on this website. Let's say I want to duplicate this checklist page. Just go to Pages and Navigation, click on this little circle next to the page you want to duplicate, then hit Duplicate. This is the duplicated page. In order to give it a new name, just go to Rename. Let's say Checklist 2. You can also edit the page URL. Then click on Save. It is automatically added to the navigation menu. If you want to, don't show it in this navigation menu. Just go back to Pages and Navigation, drag your page and move it to this section under Hidden from Navigation. Now I will move it back to be available. And don't forget to update your website. Before you go, I have something special for you. I have two free online video courses for you. The first one is about Hostinger hosting and WordPress managing, and the second one shows you how to use Hostinger Website Builder to make basic websites or online shops. You can get them both for free just by clicking the link in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any question, leave a comment below.